everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be eating a barbecue chicken and bacon pizza. This smells amazing. I'm really excited. This was a real spur of the moment decision to make this. So excuse me if I'm looking a little bit crazy. I was playing with some makeup today. If you are here for my makeup videos, I promise I'll be doing another one of those soon. I know that I've been doing a ton of mukbangs lately and this video is no exception. So if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and let's eat. I'm gonna go for this piece first. I love pizza. Yum. That's so good. It's got some like spring onions on it. Some chunky tomatoes. Yum. Let me smash down this first piece, then I'll start talking. Okay, our first piece is done. Next piece, we'll go this one. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to eat. I can hear Toy Story 3. I'll just have some lemonade. You see that? Yeah. I'm in a bit of a weird mood today. And the weather's gone kind of funny. And yesterday I found out that one of my favourite, well, pretty much one of the only ASMR artists that I'd watch passed away. Sassy Snacks. If you've never heard of her, just an amazing, beautiful, vibrant woman. If you're into ASMR, she was just fantastic. Oh my gosh. It's incredibly sad. My thoughts and prayers go out to her family, and I'm thinking of her, as I'm sure a lot of people on the YouTube community and the ASMR community are as well. On top of all of that, my kids have been sick. If you're new and you didn't know that I have kids, I have, well, I'll just say 7 and 4. They're 6 and 3. They're almost, like, their birthdays are soon. So, they've been unwell. My little girl, the 6-year-old, buggered, poor love. She'd fallen asleep and just like slept hours during the day, which is really unusual for a kid if you know them. They don't want to miss anything, but yeah, hopefully they're on the mend now. Really good. I'm not even commenting on the food. You know what this needs? Sriracha. Might have one more piece. Is the chicken okay on that? I'm really paranoid about cooking stuff. I don't know if I've told you guys before, but I swear in a past life I died from food poisoning. And so I cook stuff, I cook the living shit out of it. I didn't realize you couldn't say that. I had cupping done yesterday, and you probably see I'm bruising my neck's been really tight. I'm just like, I didn't get into a fight with an octopus, I swear. So if you could see that weird shadow, that's what it was. I apologize. That just came out and out of my mouth. Sorry, that was pretty grody. The pizza's so good. Is there anything better than pizza? Oh, yeah, on this side. This is just store-bought. I was like, sure, why not? I'll eat that. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. Wasting it one up. I forgot the sriracha. Hold on, I'll be 2 seconds. I got him. That was incredibly ladylike. What is it about the sriracha that makes food so much better? At least my cold is gone now. Do you ever like do just like really artistic little dots on your food? Is that so silly? I feel like it is. Let me know if you do stuff like that. Did you see that? So funny. The weather. It just started raining. Like it was sunny this morning. And all of a sudden, it's cloudy. Been neglecting my drink. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's so good. I remember when I was a kid, and like, I'm talking like 10, and I thought like it would just be the pinnacle of success to be able to eat a whole pizza. Look at me now. Congratulations, Michaela, you achieved your dream. This is barbecue sauce base, but like you can see. Oh, is that gonna focus? Focus. No. It's all me, baby. So it's like, it sort of looks like there's like a tomato and barbecue. I don't know. All parts of this is so good. Like, look at that crust. I'm saving that crust. I did it again. I chew and bounce my head off. I just realised I didn't do my eyebrows this morning when I was playing with this makeup. Oh my god. They look fine from where I'm sitting. But remember that is you need glasses to see. Thank goodness you're far away. I love pizza. So what's everybody doing this weekend? It's Friday for most of you. So what are you up to? I will be still taking care of my kids. Obviously. That's what I do. Mum life. Watching Netflix or anything. Is anyone watching The Act on Hulu? I watched the first episode. I was like, what the fuck is this? I can't wait to watch more. Also, I've been watching Pretty Little Liars. Why? Who knows? No, it's because I watched the show and I kept up with it, and I have this sense of like needing to finish it. So I started it from the beginning again. I'm like partway through season 3, I think. So this really cool extension on my browser from when I'm watching things on the laptop, and I can speed it up like you do a YouTube video. So I watch everything on twice the speed. It's amazing. It's so time efficient. Everyone sounds like chipmunks, but like I can smash out a 40-minute episode in 20 minutes. That's a life skill. Saving this nice burnt piece. I barely even used the sriracha. I just got too excited by the food. I'm sorry, my love. Please don't hate me. God. Should we drink this last bit together? Say cheers. Ooh. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Lots of love, hugs, and kisses. Mwah! See you in my next video.